What's up guys? Today we're going to have a look at the new released Feelworld LUT6E on-camera monitor. It's been a while since I am using my Feelworld F5 Pro V3 monitor. It's a great budget monitor, but the Feelworld LUT6E is much better than it. The Feelworld LUT6E comes with a sleek and durable design. The 6-inch IPS LCD screen looks gorgeous. On the top we get the power button, which also functions as touch on and off button. The wheel works smooth and is easy to use. One press enters the main menu and long press goes back to the former menu. On the bottom we get here various ports, including a headphone input, a 1/4 inch mount, a DC in and out, and an SD card slot. The HDMI input and output is located on the left side. On the right side we get one more 1/4 inch mount. You can power the monitor using the DC input or the NPF battery plate on the back. There's no NPF dummy on the back like on Feelworld F5 Pro V3. We also get here a ventilation fan for heat dissipation. The most important reason why I purchased this monitor is the display. The screen brightness is 1600 nits. In comparison, I've got here the Feelworld F5 Pro V3 featuring a 500 nit brightness. Not to forget to mention that the 6-inch Full HD screen is Rec. 709 calibrated. I do not need to fine-tune the colors. It just perfectly fits to my Sony a6300 SmallRig. The viewing angle is 160 degrees, thanks to the IPS technology. The contrast ratio is 1000 to 1. Well, it's great to see here an upgraded user interface to the former Feelworld monitors. If I slide from bottom, I get quick access to all my important features, including the focus peaking. In comparison with the old user interface, we get here all features in the quick access menu, whereas we get only 6 shortcuts on the Feelworld F5 Pro V3. The touch gestures are the same from the former UI. Slide up from right to increase the volume, whereas the left side increases the screen brightness. We get here all the features we need, including the 3D LUT, waveform, vector scope, histogram, focus assist, anamorphic mode, false colors, exposure, zoom, image flip, 9-grid, and embedded audio. You should definitely check the 3D LUT, which includes pre-installed Sony S-Log profile LUTs. It's much easier to check the colors with the S-Log 3 LUT turned on. The focus peaking works pretty well. I am always using it in combination with the autofocus to check for the correct focus. The Feelworld LUT6E on-camera monitor delivers an outstanding performance across various categories, making it a valuable tool for professional filmmakers and videographers. With its exceptional display quality, accurate color reproduction, focus and exposure assistance, extensive connectivity options, and intuitive customized on features, the LUT6E elevates the production workflow to new heights. Whether you're shooting in a controlled studio environment or tackling challenging outdoor conditions, this monitor proves to be a reliable companion. The Feelworld LUT6E stands out as a top-tier on-camera monitor that delivers on its promises, making it a worthwhile investment for any filmmaker seeking enhanced visual monitoring capabilities. Thank you for watching my video. If you're not subscribed to my channel, you can do it right now and comment below if you enjoyed my video.